How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Hoosier Auto Guy here at Kia of Bradley. And today we're going to go take a look at a Chevy Colorado. It's a 2016. It's a Z71 crew cab. It's orange and it's even got a lift kit on it. It's fantastic. Let's go take a look. Check this out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the orange. I love the lift kit. Great rims and tires on there. It's only got about just over 36,000 miles on it. I'll get you a better look at the rims here. Tread there. Like I said, it is a Z71, so it's going to have the skid plates, the Ranchero shocks, all that good stuff there for you that you get. Another great idea. I really love this. Built right into the bumper is a step. You don't have to worry about messing with the tailgate and trying to climb up and everything. You put your foot right there. You got your cubby hole right here where you put your hand right in there. You jump right into the back. You know. Also, you can see it's got the spray and bed, or I'm sorry, the regular bed liner, and it also has the sliding rear window in the back there as well. Another nice feature that it has, remote start. Gotta love that, especially on those cold days. But the other nice thing about it is people forget about, even in the summertime, you can have your have the air conditioner cool it down for you as well too. So you have a nice cool interior by the time you get out to the truck. Show you the back here. We'll start with the back first. Nice interior. Like I said, it's only got 36,000 miles on it for 2016. It's been well taken care of. Got your fold down armrest there with cup holders. And these seats do go up. Sorry, I only have one hand, but there's a handle right there and you can lift those seats up. So if you need more cargo space, if you need something a little better, there's actually a little storage bins underneath there too for you. Let's take a look at the front. You got all your power windows and locks, mirrors, all that good stuff down there. Bottle holders down there in the door too. It's a powered driver's seat here. Controls. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and we'll put everything on so you can see it real good. Nice BiLink touchscreen radio. There's all your gauges and information for the truck. It does have a backup camera as well. Nice big screen so you get a good idea there. There's an OnStar. You can get OnStar free for 3 months. You just push the blue button and tell them that you want to try it out. You can actually get that for free for 3 months to try it out. It's a subscription-based service after that. You also have Sirius XM satellite radio in here as well. You can call them and get 3 months for free as well from them. You've got heated seats. Also, you have, not only do you have heated seats, but you have heated seat backs. So you can have either one or both. You can have the bottom on and the back, or just the back on. So if you got a little bit of back trouble and stuff, that's a really nice feature. Got your tow haul mode over there, hill descent, all kinds of great options for you. Sunglasses holder up there. So yeah, fantastic truck. It's in great shape. Any questions on this, give me a call. I am here every day except for Tuesdays. 815-932-1000. Just ask for Jim when you call. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Set up a good day and time for you to come out and take a look at the truck. Just awesome. A lot of technology in here. Great vehicle. Oh, you know what? Another thing real quick too. Right down there, you've got your charger, and then you also have a USB port, an aux jack there for your play music right over the stereo. There's also another auxiliary input jack in the huge console that they have here as well too. It's a fantastic truck, super low miles. It's a 2016, only has 36,000 miles on it. Like I said, it's a Z71 crew cab, 4-wheel drive. Fantastic truck. I love the color, love the lift nuts on there. So again, any questions that you have, 815-932-1000. Just ask for Jim when you call, or you can shoot me an email at jim@kiaofbradley.com. Thanks, I'll talk to you soon.